Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Moto Watch Lite application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon right here to open the app. Once the application opens, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the account icon, and here you should see the list of the watches, and one of them should be Moto Watch 40. Tap on it to select it. Now on this page, you need to find the remove device option, or button rather, in the top right corner. As you can see, for some reason it blends in with the name of the watch. This app is not scaling too well. So tap on the button right here. Then tap on the button right here to confirm. Again, it cuts out because the app is not scaling well with my phone for some reason. So tap on the button right here and the watch will disappear from the list of devices. Now you can close the app. Just in case, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if the watch is right here on the list. It's not, so we can close the settings. But if it was, you can tap on it and tap on Unpair to remove it. Unpair or forget, basically. And once you do, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.